Hi friends, it's Jennifer Carroll from Celebrating Everyday Life, and today I've got a junk journal that I've made for the Graphics Fairy, and this is a kit with the brand, well, maybe not be new when you see it, but it's with the pink and red ephemera kit, and since it's January coming on Valentine's Day, I thought this would be such a fun kit to do. So this is kind of a snapshot overview of all the really fun things that are in the kit as far as the individual elements. And then if you go into the page, and this is on the premium site for the Graphics Fairy, there are tons of printables that they have made too, and you're going to see lots of those inside. But this is, for this journal, what I decided to do is this is kind of a deconstructed journal. So the spine is not actually attached, it's ribbon bound. It's not actually attached to the binding inside. And I just thought that would be, fun for something different. I'd never done one like this. So I've tied some ribbons to the center of the spine, and I've bound the cover. The back and the front are bound together with some ribbon that I've glued. And then to the face of it on the front side, I put some heart-shaped, they're just little beads. They actually have a hole drilled down the center, but they're just these little flat kind of mother of pearl hearts, and I thought they were really sweet. And so I covered some cardboard with some fabric, and then used a doily. And one of the, this is one of the cute printables. See, that's in the kit. It's this little sweet little angel. And I also attached a little bling, a little heart, a little metal, because I like kind of mixing things to add interest. So there's some velvet ribbon and some lace ribbon, and it's just really, really sweet. So let's take a look inside. So again, it's deconstructed. So the spine is not attached. And so on the inside here, I added a little bit of lace trim, a scallop lace trim, because I just wanted that kind of on the outside. And then added a wide piece of ribbon because to make a side pocket. So I've got a few little fun cards. And so these are some more of the elements. Like, see, this is this one. So there's more fun elements, but then there's also bookmarks, and you're going to see a few of these as we go throughout. And so these are part of the printables that I was talking about that are further down the page when you go into this. And I love it because it's already done for you. So you just get to print them out, cut them out, and enjoy them. It's so sweet. And then there's another Valentine set that's in there, and I'll be sure to include a link at the bottom of the video here to that other one. And this has some really sweet hearts in it, and I'll link to that set too. But these are just really, really sweet vintage. Love these. And to the face of this wide crochet ribbon, I just added some gold letters, just X's and O's, and another sweet little, this is from the same kit as this heart, this sweet little scene here, and added a little button, little bit of bling, love a little bit of bling. And so then we've got the inside of the journal itself here. And so this is one of the printables that I was mentioning. They have journal pages, again, already done for you. I love the team's already designed it for you, so it's easy peasy. And so these I just printed front and back on my home printer. And my printer will do a full bleed, so that makes it super easy. I didn't even have to trim these. So I could just print on 8.5 by 11 paper. And so I've got these printables mixed in. And then I also have some hand-dyed papers that I had done that I've mixed in as well. And a bunch of these cute little hearts. I love these hearts. And again, these are another printable already done for you. You just print them out and cut them out. It's that simple. That's part of this bundle that's in the premium site of the Graphics Fairy. So I've added a few of these because I think they're fun tabs for in the journal here. And so there's just some fun pages that, some doilies and another one of these cards that I've attached, and a little bit of ledger paper. And this is some coffee stained paper that I hand dyed. And, it's just fun to mix the pages up on these journals. And this is one of those pages from the bundle. And this is another hand dyed paper that I did. Here's just a pretty little tear out from a David Austin roses catalog. I liked the pink roses with all of this. Another coffee stain paper that I just tucked a little bit of an envelope into. And here's a couple more of these bookmarks. So again, these are part of the bundle, the pink and red ephemera bundle. They're already designed for you. You just have to scroll down on the page to see these. So, you know, just print them out, tuck a little bit of ribbon on the end there, punch a hole, and I used a little pink bag to make a cute little pocket there because I wanted to brighten up that coffee. Here's another page from the journal set with the pink ephemera. A red paper bag that I can tuck things into. And I just clipped on one of the hearts. Again, that's from the kit. I love these hearts. They're so sweet. And just, you know, a little bit of graph paper, more hand-dyed paper. Here's another beautiful page. Love the lace and the red roses. This is, again, one of the pieces that's the journal pages. It's designed for you in the kit. Some more hand-dyed paper. Here's hand-dyed paper with another little heart, Cupid's heart. Love that. Piece of doily, another one. I wanted a couple. It's cute little elements all mixed in on these done-for-you journal pages. Just love these. Look at how beautiful that is. And some hand-dyed paper. Put lots of hand-dyed paper in there. In this journal, I wanted lots of room for writing. And so here's the center spread that I chose. And again, you can see just the ribbons coming through, and you can kind of turn the ribbons so the velvet's showing if you want. And I liked that it had something on each side, so it made it more interesting for the center spread of the journal. And I love this page. I think this is probably one of my favorite pages. I kept wishing it was on this side because I like stuff on this side. But as you can see, this is that same element that I used on the cover because I really love it. It's probably my favorite piece from the whole thing. Some more hand-dyed paper. I love this with the love script there. And the other side of the doilies. This is just such a beautiful heart. I wanted to print a bunch of just this one and like string them along. I just think it's so sweet. I love that one. And I like the flowers on it, the roses there. Oh, they're just beautiful, beautiful. And here is another piece from the pre-done for you journal pages. And here's the other side of the paper bag I have in there that I tucked on. Another one of the bookmarks that's in the kit. Love this kit. This kit is so robust. Like to me, it's like one of the most robust ones that they've done so far because it's got the journal pages, it's got the bookmarks, it's got the fun hearts, and it even has postage stamps. I didn't cut those out, but it has postage stamps and little 1-inch circles. So lots and lots in that kit. Love this little angel. Isn't she so cute? Again, this is on the page of the Printables. Some coffee stain paper. Here's the other side of that David Austin catalog. And it's fun to just mix media in here because then as I'm using this journal, you know, I'll take and I can write on these pages, or I can tape pictures or cutouts or paperclip things. And, you know, I'm finding I enjoy having some blank space to work on and add things to as well. And here was one more piece of that. Love that one. And then ledger paper and doily. And again, the doilies are just cute too for little places to put like special photos or cutouts that are meaningful. And it's just kind of almost like a little frame for it. And here's another little sweetheart. And again, I just love how it's kind of like a bookmark or a tab for the page. It's really sweet. And these flowers are just gorgeous. And this is the back of it. And so here I did similar to the front, I just did a wide piece of crochet lace ribbon and used it. I glued it, you know, here at the top and along the back here and the bottom here so that it's a pocket so I can tuck things in. This is a heart that goes with that heart that I showed you up here. This is from the same set, so there's a link to that. And this little True Love bunny, I've added a little Cabochon rose right here, just glued that on. And so this is glued, you know, and I was careful when I glued it to make sure I didn't glue this all the way through so it stuck. I put a little piece of cardboard there. So be mindful when you're doing things like that, making your journals, that you don't inadvertently glue things. And another bookmark. So sweet. And that's my Valentine journal for the Graphics Fairy this month. And again, it's really built. Gosh, the workhorse of this journal is this pink and red ephemera kit that's new right now. It's just come out, but if you're seeing this maybe later, just look under Valentine's in the premium site for the Graphics Fairy, and it'll come right up. And it has not only all these fun individual elements, but tons of great printables like the bookmarks and the journal pages and the little hearts. And as I said, there's some other elements too, the little circles and the postage stamps and things like that. So I hope that you like this. I hope that you will check out the premium site for the Graphics Fairy and enjoy making your own Valentine Junk Journal. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.